Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap in front of all of you. I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, absolute breakdown of law and order in Manipur. Apex code. Next, with strong July numbers, quarter two get off to a solid start. Next, record 6.77 crore ITRs filed till July 31. Next, Tesla's Chinese vendors may get to make in India. Next, Brookfield RIL Inc. MOU for OZ Green Venture. Next, 88% of rupees 2000 notes worth rupees 3.14 lakh crore returned RBI. Next, what matters is how we recover. Next, BCCI floats tender for title sponsor rights for matches in India. Next, RBI sends fresh draft to ESMA on CCIL oversight. Next, NARCL dual structure seen as bad asset. Next, Vanguard cuts Ola valuation to $3.5 billion. Next, ED searches multiple premises linked to Hero Motorcorp. Next, amid sporadic incidents, Gurugram cause ask staff to WFH. Next, GST July mop-up jumps 11% to over rupees 1.60 lakh crore. Next, Global Foundries I tie-ups for fab unit in India. Next, FMCG cause OPS hit in Manipur. Next, Indigo rings in changes to avoid flight incidents. Next, passenger vehicle dispatches record the best July ever. Next, PayU's India focus may lead to local listing of entities. Next, Aditya Birla Group arm buys Ka Hospitality. Next, software measures lead the way in bridging gender gap at workplace. On page number 2, pure politics section in that Patna High Court allows Bihar's caste survey. Next, passed the test of proportionality. Next, absolute breakdown of law and order in Manipur Supreme Court. Next, government lines up 3-day LS debate on no trust motion from August State. Next, pro-government parties to ensure Delhi's bill's smooth passage in rupees. Next, bill to replace Delhi ordinance introduced in LS. Next, chairman offers to extend short duration debate. Opposition firm on stand. Next, promotion of SC ST employees to Group A, well below mandated level. Parallel panel. On page number 3, pure politics section in that mob kills cleric in Gurugram. 2 succumb to injuries. Toll 5. Next, Karnataka, Rajasthan left with no money due to freebies. PM. Next, Sena name case to be taken up after Article 370 case Supreme Court. Next, cries for justice in Bihar village. Next, youth ransack shop in Alwar. Next, is it about price check? Next, Rahul to meet 50 Karnataka leaders today. Next, inclusive conservations. Next, NCB burst biggest darknet LSD cartel, arrest 3 youth. Next, 20 killed, 3 injured in crane accident at Samruddhi Express site in Thane district. Next, Mosewala murder case, gangster Sachin Bishnoi extradited from Azerbaijan. Next, rise in domestic consumption. Next, talks held on car manufacturing plans. Next, landing configurations. On page number 4, brand section in that BCCI invites tenders for the title sponsorship rights for India international matches. Next, passenger vehicle dispatches record the best July ever. Next, Brookfield and Reliance to produce clean energy gear in Oz. Next, Samsung beats on India to drive biz growth in H2. Next, top executive in key function leave Realme India to join Honor team. Next, Nokia sales crossed European 1 billion in India in quarter 2 on the back of 5G rollout. Next, Suzlon looks to raise up to rupees 1800 crore YYQIP. Next, Jio continues to lead in users addition in my try data. Next, Tata's first e-com platform struggles to click has losses rise after exit from keys categories. On page number 5, economic market in that RBI sends fresh draft to ESMA on CCIL oversight set to hold firm. Next, bad banks twin structure now seen as a asset. Next, new SUV to support Maruti, but Suzuki deal may impact ROCE. Next, SEBI to tweak account aggregator framework. Next, hospital stocks hitting record highs on multiple boosters. Next, Taparia tools holding in focus after big dividend. Next, RBI says 88% of rupees 2000 notes returned in 2 months. On page number 6, the smart investing section in that ICICI Prudential Life Plans 4D focus on growth. Next, soaring unsecured book needs more buffers at NBFCs. Next, SBFC offers a strong secured MSME lending franchises. Next, investors betting big on high yielding opportunities. Next, Chola Invest quarter one net rises 28%. Next, Rahul Goswami debt CIO at Franklin. Next, Britannia hit by profit booking on ruler headwinds. Next, Taparia tools holding in focus. On page number 7, companies section in that Manipur strip takes a toll on FMCG cause of. Next, firms stare at an uncertain future. Next, make my trip post $18.6 M profit in quarter one on record booking. Next, Aditya Birla buys Ka Hospitality. On page number 18, companies section in that table space likely to buy 8 LSQ square feet office space in Pune. Next, Arvind Smart Spaces impact for two Ahmedabad township projects. Next, Pune's Kolte Patil to redevelop two housing projects in Goregaon. On page number 9, companies section in that ED searches 10 locations of Hero Motocorp chairman's residence. Next, US Global Foundries Scots for partners in India to set up chip fabrication unit. On page number 10, disruption section in that Vanguard slashes Ola's valuation again by more than 50% to $3.5 billion. Next, enough provisions to enforce GST on offshore gaming cause. Next, pay use India focus may lead to domestic listing, say sources. Next, data will to be introduced in LS tomorrow. Next, Davidson Kempner sends legal notice to Byju's Akash. Next, Unstop rises $5 billion from Mayanavy others. Next, deep tech firms hell draft policy flag friction points. Next, India's key go-to-market product hub Slack CEO. On page number 11, companies section in that new name manifest Adani Energy is future ready, has diverse solutions MD. Next, Adani total quarter one went up 9% on higher volumes. Next, IBC plan to set up $1 billion battery unit near Bengaluru. Next, DLF promoter family sales rupees 1084 crore sales. Next, Punit Chandok appointed COP VP of MS India and S Asia. On page number 12, economy section in that Russia crude imports jumped 5% in July. Next, record 6.77 crore IT returns filed till July 31st. Next, GST July mop up rises 11%, tops rupees 1.65 lakh crore on stable economy. Next, state run cause clock increase in petrol, fall in diesel sales. Next, industry activity remains strong on new export orders. Next, Joshi, coal PSU to invest rupees 2.5 lakh crore in new biz by 30. On page number 13, economy section in that companies in Gurugram ask staff to work remotely. Next, Min urged to ease non-basmati exports ban. Next, automaker may need to use 20% recycled imports from 26. Next, parallel panel on IT tables report data will not referred to commit min. On page number 14, editorial page section in that fixed price delisting resist manipulators. Next, a magic realism show. Next, parallel reality. Next, full time means full committed. Next, pairs with lazy everything. Next, heat stress and labor productivity. Next, As board sheet has imagination. Next, getting all spaced out. Next, listening to mid-range frequencies. Next, so will parents soon be saying I do. Next, Sore Grapes has the fruits of growth. On page number 15, Economic Time Panache section in that a guide to the real people around the father of the atomic bomb. Next, I never wanted to see the devil again. Next, renews of Neuro's threat found under a garden near Vatican. Next, mission would not change, says institution where Rushdie was attacked. Next, narrowscape. Next, Chetri named in India's Asia squad. Next, we laugh about it. Kellogg on Mbappe to Liverpool rumor. Next, England's Asia's performance validates baseball mechanism. Brendan McCallum. Next, the Bitcoin bull who say the CEO is the most important thing. That much for today. Thanks for watching.